Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Expert. Today, we're exploring something that honestly feels like the future of app creation. It's called YouWare. This AI-powered platform lets you build apps just by chatting with AI. No coding, no complex setup, just pure creativity. You can create anything, from productivity tools and AI chatbots to fun image generators, all in minutes. And what makes it even cooler is the community. Right when you open YouWare, you'll step into a space filled with creators just like you. There are hundreds of unique projects to explore, from clever mini-games to smart automation tools. You can open any project, try it out instantly, and even remix it to make your own version. It's amazing how people are turning simple AI prompts into fully functional apps, and YouWare makes it all effortless. So let's jump in and see how this platform is making app building as easy as having a conversation. I'm going to click on the plus button to start a brand new project. Here, you can either type your idea or just talk to the AI. It understands both perfectly. Let's give it a try and see how YouWare instantly starts building the app for us. So here, I've just entered my prompt. Use the Nano Banana API. You can see the accept button right below. Just click it, and YouWare instantly starts generating all the next steps for you. It literally builds the whole thing on its own. No coding, no setup. And now, YouWare has opened the Nano Banana Studio. As you can see, it's already transforming my prompt into a fully functional image generator app. Here you get different sections like idea, focal detail, and style, where you can describe your scene and customize exactly how you want your images to look. Basically, YouWare is taking my prompt and automatically building all the logic and layout for this app. That's the real power of AI. It's handling all the coding behind the scenes while I just describe what I want. Alright, our app is ready. Let's give it a test. I'll type in a simple idea here, and watch this. YouWare instantly processes it through the Nano Banana API and generates an image right inside the app. That's just crazy. It literally created a complete AI image generator from a single chat prompt. And the best part? You can tweak or upgrade anything anytime. Just tell the AI what you want to change, and it automatically updates your app in seconds. As you can see, I'm testing out a few different prompts. And each time, YouWare instantly generates a brand new image based on my input. It's fast, creative, and seriously impressive. Before we wrap up, here's something really cool. Inside YouWare, you can actually chat directly with the AI and ask it anything. Stuck on your project? Just type your question right here, and the AI instantly comes up with suggestions, ideas, or even fixes your mistakes for you. It's like having your own smart coding assistant built right into the platform. Now, from all these amazing projects, I'm selecting this one, the Lizzie McGuire style app. Here, I just need to upload a single image, and YouWare instantly starts working its magic. In just a few seconds, it transforms the photo into a fun, cartoon-style version, totally capturing that classic Lizzie McGuire vibe. It's super creative, and the results look awesome every single time. Next, I'm checking out another awesome project, the Professional Portrait Headshot Generator. This one is perfect if you want clean, studio-quality profile pictures without hiring a photographer. All I have to do is upload a regular photo, and YouWare automatically enhances it. Adjusting lighting, background, and overall tone to make it look like a professional headshot. It's super quick, and the results look polished and realistic. Perfect for LinkedIn, resumes, or any professional profile. Now let's try something a little more fun. This one's called Retro Phone Games. It instantly gives you that nostalgic vibe of old-school mobile games we used to play. Once you open it, YouWare loads a mini retro-style game right inside the app, complete with those classic and pixel graphics. It's amazing how YouWare can go from building serious AI tools to fun little projects like this, all from simple chat prompts. And that's a wrap for today's video. You just saw how powerful YouWare really is. It lets you build apps, generate content, and explore creative projects just by chatting with AI. If you want to experience it yourself, check out the link in the description. YouWare works on both desktop and mobile. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share it with other creators who love AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.